Today, let's prepare a Eforiro soup.
First, blend your pepper, tatachi, onions and set it aside. Add palm oil and add onions. Allow it to cook for some minutes, then stir. Add locust beans and stir. Add your dry fish and stir. Add your grinded pepper and tatashi and stir. Add your crayfish, salt, maggi and stir. Then sort out your grain and cut it into smaller portions and then wash it properly. Add warm water and sieve. Add your pomo and fried meat. Add your already cooked intestine and stir properly. Finally, add your vegetable, allow it to cook for some minutes. For more recipe, follow, like, share and comment. Bye.